Guys, so I had a bit of an issue with the Jeep, and this is just my wife said it was a smell, and she said, I'm smelling this oil all the time. And I'm like, I don't smell anything.
I went to the garage. Yeah, it was really bad.
But it finally showed its ugly head, and it was the transfer case rear seal on the slip yoke leaking. So after we did the lift kit, raising it up, I guess it adjusted the slip yoke, and it needed a new fresh seal. So in this video, we are going to show you how to replace that seal. Pretty easy, and you know, hopefully this is helpful for you.
Well, it's helped it. I don't smell the snow anymore.
It's not leaking. It's good to go.
It's leaking. It's good.
And then, yeah, because the Driveshaft would throw the oil right on the muffler. I don't know why I couldn't smell that. But she's the cook. I can't smell nothing. Seal.
It is. A good sniffer.
She has a good sniffer. So y'all stay tuned and we'll get right into this.
It's going to be so earworms now when you look at it.
Okay, so after we got the lift cam for the 4-inch lift, our seal on a transmission decided to leak. So there's the oil on the ground. Look right there. That seal is leaking. So we're going to go ahead and replace that seal because the Driveshaft probably moved out a little bit. It wasn't used to running where it's running now. Okay, now we're going to take off our Driveshaft from the pinion. There's got to be 4. Pretty simple to take your Driveshaft off. You just want to make sure when you're pulling your Driveshaft out after you get the 2 C-looking things off, that your universal caps do not fall off. There's a bunch of pin bearings in there. You may have to take a screwdriver and pry your Driveshaft loose. Like I said, just be careful. You don't want those pin bearings to fall out. It's a slip yoke here, so it's just going to slide back into that yoke when you pry it off. So grab your screwdriver. I put it right there beside you. And be careful. There we go. And then we'll pull it down and we'll just pull it out of the yoke. So just pull it out and set it on the dry ground.
Wait, is there anything gonna leak out here?
Probably.
Alright, let me go.
No, just pull out, right? It'll be fine.
Alright.
We drained the transmission, so it shouldn't nothing come out. There, a little bit. Look at that. Look at the mess you're making.
Oh yeah.
I swear. Set that on the rag, yeah. There you go.
Yeah.
And we'll just clean up that mess with some K-layer.
Alright, go grab the cat layers before it spreads.
So this has to come out. We have basically like a chisel and a hammer, and we're going to start knocking this out. We also have a screwdriver. You can see it's bending there a little bit. This is going to take a while to pop out. Okay, we're ready to install the new seal. Now you slide it in there.
A little more than sliding it in.
And then you take your rubber mallet and you gotta beat around evenly.
Haven't we taken this thing out before?
No, we did the pinion seals.
Ah.
Same thing.
There you go.
No, that's too much. And you continue to beat, and we'll come back until it's in when it's in. So after you beat a while, it will start going in. And you want to snug it up all the way tight. You want to finish? You want to bring this home, Brian?
Bring what home?
Finish beating the end.
Oh yeah. You want me to?
I got it.
Oh, okay.
I think it's done. Probably would have been easy with a socket over the top too. Just don't think I have a socket that big. Okay, I think that's in. Did we install it the right direction, Brian?
Oh, no.
Okay. Let's take it back out.
Okay.
Okay, and we're done. Now we stick the dry shaft back in. Okay, now we're going to install the dry shaft back. You have to make sure there's no dirt on the end of it. Make sure there's no dirt on the end of it.
Good idea.
Yeah. With the dirty rag.
Yep. Looks clean to me.
Okay. There's go.
There you go.
And then we're going to slide this in there. Did you take your G-Pad gear?
No.
You're probably going to have to do that. Yeah, we're going to have to do that. And with the G-Pad gear, you can rotate the drive shaft. And you can put the universals, which you haven't lost the end caps to, back in place. And then bolt this back on. And once you get them started, you just tighten them down to probably about 20-25 foot-pounds.
I would go grab my tools, but it's work.
But if you look at, we put that 4-inch lift on here, and with the angle of the rear axle housing and the 1-inch drop on the transfer case, that's pretty level. Grabbing my tool. Look at that long hair you have over there.
It'll be shaved off soon.
Shaved off? You got plans for your hair?
Bald.
Bald. Is it summertime in Florida?
It's getting too hot. Wait, see. Better. And just snug them on.
And you can look up the torque spec for your universal joints, depending on which one you're doing. Okay, so the drive shaft is in. That's tight. That's our new seal. And now we're going to change the gear oil on our transfer case.
Hey Dad, we're switching sides. You're closer to it.
Okay. I just look at it. I'm thinking he's been going trailing. It's like he's got the beach up here on this transfer case mount.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, that's beach. Okay, we don't have a socket this big, so I'm going to use a crescent wrench. Since it's at a weird angle, I'm going to just use a screwdriver on it and get that turned off. I think I can do that by hand now. And we'll use the same method for the top to break it loose.
Oh wow, it is like a beach up here.
Yes.
Here. Oh, hey Dad, you gotta stop trailing with this thing.
I know.
It's an inch of sand in here.
A lot of sand.
I didn't realize how much sand is. It's like 50 pounds of sand.
Yep.
You think you can handle?
Plant garden.
Oh, we can patch some holes in the yard.
Let's see. There we go. Oh wow, that's so hard. And let's see how old this oil is. Oh, yuck.
Doesn't look that bad.
Yeah, it looks really good actually. That's some clean oil.
I guess they changed it recently.
Yeah.
Because that seal that used, the old seal, still had paint on there.
Mm-hmm.
Like the new one. And
then let's take out the top. But the transmission fluid really needed to be changed.
Yeah, that was like chocolate milk. Oh, why are you taking out that one?
Might as well.
That one's staying.
That one's staying, so we can't put fluid back in.
Oh, that's the one that you need to put fluid in it? Huh. It doesn't need fluid. It's a 4-cylinder.
Oh, okay. No gear oil required for this Jeep.
No.
You recording?
Yeah. Recruiting.
Oh. Let's see if I can get on this. I can probably get on this like this. Yeah. Ah, there we go. And that one's broke loose. And I think it's time for Brandon to step in. Okay, after it's drained, you're putting the cap back on. Of course, he has more oil to clean off the floor with Key there. It's gonna be fun. Okay, you gonna tighten it with the screwdriver?
Hang on.
I think that's good, Brian. Okay, now we're going to put our fluid in. We're going to take and use our stern drive pump to pump it up there. And if you don't have a boat, these are very useful. Just pump it up. Look at that red fluid. And it's going to take about 1 1/2 of these. And this is O'Reilly's ATF plus 4. And we're going to move over the pump without making too much mess. You want to move it closer? Yay! I don't think there's a drop. Not a drop. All the other drops. And continue pumping. We're going to pump probably this one down to the bottom too, of where the pump reaches.
And fill them both back up.
Yes. And it's just go in that hole, and when it comes out the hole, we know it's full.
There we go.
Hey, we're leaking out. Yay! All done. Okay, now all our fluid's leaking out, so we have to put the plug back in. He overfilled it.
Just a hair.
It's steadily dripping on this rag down here.
Yeah, let me fix that.
Okay, you fix that. Pump this in the other one. There we go. Let's not stick this in the dirt.
Now we can fill the other one back up with this.
Now we're going to do the transmission. So we got installed, and a little banging, a little pounding, got that off. And the big thing you have to do is you have to make sure when you're pounding in, you don't pound it in too crooked because you can bend that. It's really soft metal. Yeah, easy install. And if this was helpful, just hit that like button. If you want to see more of the stuff we do, subscribe. So if you're looking for great eats, good recipes, go check out her blog. She is whipping up new meals every week. And I even try to write things out there. Not near as good.
I'm not really whipping up meals every week.
No.
I actually make these.
Yeah, she puts a lot of time.
And then I make it a recipe.
Yeah, there's a new experiment in the oven right now. So
There is.
it's gonna be good. And y'all please take care.
Bye. I'm sorry.
Y'all stay tuned. Okay. Baby has her stance now. She's standing right.
Start talking.
Guys, so wait, let me get my stance right. Guys, so
We're gonna be in the same position?
you want me to change? I'll change that. You're right here. So you're closer to the mic. She talks softly, so she's closer so you can hear her.
Right now,
And one of the kids just pulled up or something.
That's our kid.
Yeah, that's our kid. That is a later video of an incident that happened.
Hey, Mom. Are you guys getting the video? It's cold outside.
Yes, it is cold outside.
Well, it's nice. Well, we're all hanging out, and then we're gonna have to go home. So, we're trying to get Luna's truck started.
Oh.
Because I guess it's not getting fuel right.
So his truck is started?
No, we finally got started. We got back to his house.
Okay. Well, I'm glad you helped him.
Well, it was me, Dom, and Corbin.
Brian, finish the video.
Yeah. So go meet and greet Bella. So she.
Oh, and dinner's in the oven.
Oh,
Yes.
yay.
It's done.
I'm hungry.
Yes.
It's
You know,
done.
Mom always cooks you dinner.
I know, it's good.
It is good. Okay. Distraction gone. Let's start the video.
Oh, kids.
And that was a minute.
There's a minute standing there.
You're probably saying a little too far.
Well, no, it's like this. It's more
That
like
does look good right there. Or like that. Okay, I'm sorry.
later.
Yeah, there.
What? What was that face? You're the one who did it.
I can't help it. Okay. Pull up my shorts are falling off. There we go.
Okay.
Just hit that like button. If you want to see more of the stuff we do, subscribe. We have,
I don't really care. You don't have to, but you can like this one.
yeah, you can like it. And you can subscribe so you can see more videos not to care about.
No.
She wanted to cut that out.